Alright, I got two Magic Innistrad packs. Actually got a pack and a starter deck. It was black and green. I can't remember the exact title, but let's open these up. It's actually the first packs I've opened from Innistrad, but I've seen cards and pretty excited. We got Ulvenwald Primordials. I gotcha. I forgot. They're backwards. Unveil Ulvenwald Mystics. It's a werewolf creature. Pretty epic, I guess. I forgot how packs open. Alright. Festerhide Boar. I got Hysterical Blindness. Voiceless Spirit. Moon Heron. Yavison's Pilgrim, maybe? Infernal Plunge. Stromkirk Patrol. Pitchburn Devils. Prey Upon. Trepanation Blade. Diregraph Ghoul. Skurdag Cultist. The rare is a Clifftop Retreat. Tactics, and you get this nifty two-sided card. So the rare is a Clifftop Retreat, which is a split land, and it does mountains or plains. So that's that pack, and hopefully I'll get something exciting out of this pack. Alright, so Bane Hainwire and Hainwire Watchkeep is the werewolf transforming card. We have Selfless Cathar, Dead Weight, Dream Twist, Moon Heron, Vampire Interloper, Shell Off Occultist, Treacherous Blood, Moon Mist, One-Eyed Scarecrow, that's creepy looking, Inquisitor's Flail, Tribute to Hunger, Murder of Crows. Oh my god! Lilana the Veil. Oh man! Nice! Each player discards a card, target player sacrifices a creature, separate all permanents target player controls into two piles. That player sacrifices all permanents in the pile of... Hold on! That's nice. And then, sorry about that, -6 is separate all permanents target player controls into two piles. That player sacrifices all permanents in the pile of her choice. Whew. Planeswalker. Second pack I open. Nice. Now I just need the Transforming Garruk, and I'll be set. And that was those two packs.